Have you ever think that starting an online business is hard? Have you created a digital product or try to build a sales funnel but get stuck? The good news is you are in the right place. We're offering you private label rights to a new affiliate marketing product that we created in both ebook and video version. So technically, we build this whole sales funnel for you, so that you can also succeed in your journey of online business. This product, as you know, has huge demand for it and people are searching for this content again and again. You are getting all the marketing materials for selling this premium product that is mentioned below. This product is perfect for the times we're living in right now. As you probably are aware, more and more people are now shopping online. So, there's a big opportunity to profit from this big shift. And because there's not much of a barrier to entry, many people are looking to sell online and generate an income online. The product that we created teaches people how to skyrocket your affiliate marketing business. You will learn the exact A to Z on everything you need to know on how to become a successful affiliate, without the need for your own list, your own products, or any experience at all. And much, much more. That's why we're confident your customers are going to love this training. But make sure to get this product before the price goes up, or we might even decide to take down this page. So own this product now.